Google might be lost. Hey guys, it's Lindsay at roadtripsoul.com, and today I thought I'd give you a little a look at just because I'm starting to get it all set up, and so I thought I'd give it to you. Yeah, this definitely isn't right. Hey guys, it's Lindsay at roadtripsoul.com, and today I thought I would show you the bed I've set up in my Honda Civic camper conversion. So let me show you what I've set up. I think one of the biggest challenges is the dip between the rear seats and then the trunk, because there's about a 4-inch height difference. What I've done is I've created a little platform in the trunk for my feet. So my feet will sit here, and then I actually have like 6 inches of storage room. If you're interested, I do have the dimensions and sort of the step-by-step how-to to build this on my website, roadtripsoul.com, and I'll put a link down in the description. So this is what it looks like inside. What I've done is I've tilted the seats forward to give myself just a little bit extra space. This is a 2010 Honda Civic, which is I think it's the 9th generation, which is 2006 to 2011. It's 6 feet from the headboard down to the tip of the end of the foot. Seats end here, a seat extender, and it basically just extends the seat. And then I just have a blanket over the whole thing just to try to like smooth it all out as much as possible. I cut a piece of plywood and I put hinges, so it's easily foldable, so I can like put it away when I need to. Like a Honda Civic's small, and so for all my camping gear and hiking gear and all that, like I need some place to put it. Folding it up like this. Folding it up, and then I've been using bungee cords just to hold it in place. And I'm trying to do this one-handed, and it won't fall down when I'm on the road. Not that hard. I went to Home Depot and had them cut the lumber for me. Let's see. There. So this is my head at the top. There's my seat extender and my legs. You can see my feet down here. I'm pretty excited. And if you're interested in the measurements or for step-by-step pictures of this, go to my website at roadtripsoul.com. If you liked this video, please subscribe, comment below. I'm super excited to share this with you, and looking forward to more of the same. Thanks. 6 feet from tip to tip, so tip to tip. I'm a child.